Good morning guys. So, share ko lang sa inyo yung Hyundai Eon ko, aka si Barney. 6 years and 6 months old na siya with 81,221 kilometers clocking in. I-share ko sa inyo yung behavior ng engine in terms of yung tunog niya with AC off and AC on. Okay? So, start natin. One click pa rin. So eto, start tayo guys sa AC off. Yan, AC off guys. Para marinig nyo naman yung gilid. So usually kasi dami nagkakaproblema. Parang squeaking noise, ganyan. So yung sa akin, wala pa naman. So stock pa yan. Belts lang ang pinapalitan ko dyan. Yung water pump, syempre yung may video naman tayo, mga timing belt and yung oil seal. Pero yung alternator and the rest is yung compressor, stock pa rin. Okay, so turn on natin yung AC. So single shot lang na video to, wala nang edit. Okay, on. Okay, so naka-on na yung AC. So expected nyo na mas ma-vibrate to kasi extra load kasi yan yung compressor. So yan, naka-on yung AC. And yung blower guys, gumagana. Maririnig nyo naman eh. So yan, naka-on yung AC nyo guys. Hintayin natin mamatay yung compressor. Medyo matagal pala kasi kakabukas na natin ng AC. Pero tingnan natin. So para guys hindi kayo ma-confuse, okay? So yan yung alternator. Ito yung pulley ng water pump. Ayan, patay yung AC guys ha. Patay din yung blower. Ayan, ganyan yung behavior nya guys. So hintayin nyo magbukas yung AC. Ayan. So konting konting uga. And then that's it. Ayan yung AC blower, yung blower natin. Tahimik pa rin. Kahit ilapit ko yun guys, tahimik pa rin. Halos walang vibration. Yung mga engine support ko, transmission support, stock pa lahat yan. Even yung clutch lining or yung clutch set. AC off. So hintayin natin mag-kick in yung compressor. That's it.